Let this one come down. Let this one come down. You can actually come around this way now because I want you to come in nice and close because I want you to see the measurement. So I always use, and this is just a cheap garment tape measure. I use centimeters, and typically what I try to do is use some sort of visual landmark, right? So like I could use a steri strip if I wanted to go above or below. I'm actually gonna go with kind of this mid-section right there, and that actually looks like the bottom of your femur. That little, it's not a scab, but I'm gonna call it a scab.
Sure.
So that's gonna be my mark for measuring afterward as well. So right there, if you come in real close, we're at 44 centimeters. 44 centimeters. Now, you can lay back, relax. Let's get your heel up here. You can, yep. Let's rest that there.
Do you want this one flat?
Nope, that can be whatever's comfortable. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover this up.
So you think your one grandson still don't like Miami?
You don't have, you have the Ace Wrap, you don't have one of these, right?
Nope.
And that's fine. Ace Wrap is totally good. So with this,
That one is definitely
this
stronger.
is a little more compression,
Holy moly.
but we're only gonna do
Likes the South.
5 minutes at the most.
Okay.
5 minutes at the most.
Okay.
And if you feel any like throbbing, pulsing, aching, take
I
it off.
took as much of my drugs today before as I could. I think I'm going to get 90 degrees today.
Well, you got it in that picture.
Oh man, and that was when I was really, everything hurt yesterday.
Yeah.
Everything hurt.
Okay, so now that we have it wrapped, I'm just gonna bring this in a little closer. Okay. So this is still kind of the lowest minimum threshold in terms of elevation. We could go higher. I'm not worried about it because this has got a lot of compression on it. I want to leave this on for, like I said, I'm watching the clock. We're gonna do 5
Yeah,
minutes.
with the rain jacket.
You can actively bend the knee and roll it in and then back out. You're not gonna get much bend, but just the motion, you'll feel it tighten as you bend it. That's still working that fluid down.
Is that better to do at home too with the
Yeah,
case wrap?
yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
when you have it wrapped, like phase 1, you just elevate. Phase 2, you start elevating and moving with the motion.
Okay.
And you know, you could do like 10 of them, and then you can do 10 ankle pumps, and then you can do a couple more, and you're just biding your time, getting the muscle pump to get that fluid out of there. I'm gonna move this just.
Do you think that's what it is? It's really it's the fluid. It's
The fluid. The fluid for you is the primary reason why you're still walking with that stiff leg,
okay.
and you're not getting more bend.
Okay.
So that's the double-edged sword, because now we run into a situation where we say, well, I need to bend it, so I'm gonna push it, but if I push it, it gets swollen, which takes away my bend. You know, and that's what happened the other day. So I always tell people, like, just know the motion is there. It'll come as the fluid goes away. And so you just Goldilocks, not too much, not too little. It's got to be just right. You got to find that kind of middle ground that works for you. Yeah. Let's do some ankle pumps. Perfect.
I do those all the time.
Yeah, because you didn't think
Yeah.
I thought the rain was
Do it. You got about 3.5, 4 more minutes to
Oh,
go.
yeah.
You can pause that or stop it. I'm serious color. Go ahead.
Prove to your wife you got it.
Okay. You just relax. And I'll wrap
I
it.
can do those.
Yeah.
My sister has her house all packed up with Sean's.
I told my sister, I said, I'm gonna be up for like the ugly knee club of the month or something.
Once that stuff comes off, I mean, it looks so much better. The skin under it looks so much better. Yeah.
Okay.
Even that first picture you sent me, it already started to look so much better.
I mean, I had no idea I was allergic to any of that stuff.
So if you can come over the top. So that's a 1/2 centimeter in
More?
5 minutes.
Increase.
You know? So in other
Oh,
words, a 1/2
decrease.
centimeter less girth,
So we
which means
drop
less
it.
swelling.
Perfect.
Now we have more freedom of movement.
Okay.
So now let's do a couple more just on your own without the compression. Roll the ball in. Roll roll the ball back out.
Yeah, I can feel it. It's much looser. Not nearly as tight.
What I want to do, keep going. There's a couple ways we can kind of play around with this, and we'll just use this strap. So grab a hold of those
But her whole house is packed up.
and use that to kind of help lift. What I like to do is bring the foot, when I'm trying to get more flexion, I bring the foot kind of to where the heel is on the ball. So now as you come in, the foot has room to actually kind of drop down on the ball, right? And you let it come back.
He was hiding from you.
Let's do a couple more. You can use those arms, really kind of give that a pull. That's it. Let's do like 5 more, just like that. I'd probably grab it down lower. There we go. Pull.
Yeah, so they could use their phones, but then all their phones were dying faster.
I can use the little green.
Anything. You can use a towel.
Okay.
Yeah. The bands are probably too stretchy for something like this.
Okay.
I want to get it as far as you feel comfortable. Now I want to keep it there. So I'm just going to kind of support myself here. And I'm going to move the ball. And so just from there, if you give me a little kick up and then let it come back down. And so we're just letting gravity kind of pull it. Yeah. I'm going to get the hip to bend a little bit more. There we go. Okay, go ahead. That's it. We'll do like 5 of them. 1, 2, and that's hitting 90 degrees right there.
I gotta start school in 2 weeks.
Let it go all the way down. I steal that. Let it go all the way straight. No, you're good. That's
Shoo,
it.
that's tired.
Let this one go straight. And then you just relax, 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 relax. Let's go one more time where you do a straight leg raise because you've got the ability to do that. Hold that position in the hip and let the foot come down.
Okay.
And you know, one thing you can do from this is like,
Hold here?
yeah. Imagine you're gonna bring this heel to that knee. So let it come down. It's close, and then kick it back up. And let it come down. You can grab here. There you go. Bring it over. Oh, so close. We're like 3 fingers away. Let's try a couple more. Your goal is that heel right on the top of the knee. So that's a little more hip flexion if you can. 1 more.
Yeah, let's do that.
Last one. Last one.
She's not supposed to be like going out like on base and sweats in a t-shirt. She's expected since she's normal.
All right. Take a break. Let it all the way down. All right. Thank you.